Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are breaking down one of the most advanced and dangerous weapons of modern warfare, smart missiles, and how they are changing battles across the world. Smart missiles are not like traditional rockets. These weapons are guided by advanced technology that allows them to track, adjust, and strike targets with extreme precision. Unlike old missiles that followed a fixed path, smart missiles can change direction mid-flight. They use sensors, GPS, radar, infrared, and artificial intelligence to reach their target accurately. One of the key features of smart missiles is guidance systems. GPS guidance allows missiles to hit exact coordinates, even from long distances. Infrared guidance lets missiles track heat signatures, making them deadly against tanks, aircraft, and ships. Radar-guided missiles can lock onto moving targets, adjusting their path continuously to ensure impact. Modern smart missiles can also communicate with satellites and command centers. This allows real-time updates, target changes, and mission control during flight. Artificial intelligence is making smart missiles even more dangerous. AI allows missiles to identify targets, avoid decoys, and choose the most valuable target automatically. Some smart missiles are designed to fly low to avoid radar detection. This stealth capability makes them extremely hard to intercept. Hypersonic smart missiles take this technology to another level, traveling at more than 5 times the speed of sound. They give enemies almost no time to react. Smart missiles are used across land, sea, and air warfare. From ship-launched missiles to air-to-ground precision strikes, they dominate modern combat. Defense systems struggle to stop these weapons because of their speed, maneuverability, and intelligence. As technology improves, smart missiles will become faster, smarter, and more autonomous. Understanding smart missiles helps us understand the future of warfare, where precision and intelligence matter more than sheer firepower. This is why smart missiles are one of the most important weapons in modern military technology.